Hi, today we're taking a look at the Sansi motion activated light. Just got out of the box. We're going to get it installed. It does motion activation. You can also have it just on solid, or you can have it dusk to dawn. These turn and angle. It's LED bulbs. So we're going to get it in and take a look.
Hey everybody, we're installing the Sansi light today. These 8 bulbs are LED, and they're only 30 watt, all put together, ultra bright. It's pretty much for you to be able to cut down your electrical bill about 88%. When it comes to the other lights surrounding. As far as security lights, you can have a motion sensor, but you also can set it up to 50 feet worth of sensing, and it's got dusk-to-dawn motion sensing, and you can turn it on and off with a kill switch or with a regular toggle switch. So this is what we're going to install today, and it seems like a pretty simple application. You got your ground wire, you got your feed, and you got your neutral as well. But I can't wait to see how bright these things are, and they look really good. As far as security lights go, this looks like it's the father of all security lights. Alright, in comparison, overall, this is way brighter, way better. And LEDs don't attract much bugs either. This here, in comparison to that, Sansi light is the way to go.
So this is a look at the Sansi light. Now that it's starting to get dark, I wanted to show the difference between a, just a regular, it's like the swirly LED bulb that I have on the left, and then on the right, the new Sansi LED light, much brighter, nice light. So I have it on fully on. So why don't we take a look at the other features. You can do it as on all the time, and you can do it as motion activated. You can also do it as dusk to dawn. So let's take a look at that. So let's take a look. Wave my hand here. See how well it illuminates out here. And it's not fully 100% dark yet. Very nice bright light. So that's the look at the Sansi LED security light. I like it on the motion sensor. Really nice bright light. Lights up my whole porch here. Makes me feel a little safer at night. Thanks for watching.